Okay, we're back and our highlights have dried and we are ready to finish this painting. So on my palette here, I'm going to take some of my glaze mix. If you've taken other tutorials, you know what this is. This is about 1/3 of a gloss glaze, acrylic glaze, any brand you like, and about 2/3 of a satin. And I do this to give it a nice sheen, to set some of the colors and enrich some of the colors. This is pre-varnish. You would varnish after this is completely dry, about 48 hours. So I mix these two together with a little water and a wet flat brush. It's a large painting, I might need to mix more, but mix up a good quantity. Use a clean flat brush with a little water on it. Get it good and mixed. Then you can mist your canvas as long as it's good and dry. You've been letting everything dry really well. Or you can just go over it with a damp brush if you don't want to spray. And then just starting in the corner, back and forth, working in sections and going 2 or 3 different ways with your brush to make sure you've hit every last spot. As you can see, I'm going across and then taking it down, giving it a very smooth look, but covering every section. So I'm going to work this, working quickly over my entire painting. In small sections like this. Entire painting while glaze is still wet, giving it nice long brush strokes for the nicest finish. Pick up drips around the edges. Let dry thoroughly.